what time it is, but we're gonna get ready to go see the potential venue. I don't even know where it is. I think it's somewhere in Massachusetts. Yeah, we gonna go. We'll take you guys along with us. I'm gonna vlog on our way to see the place.
My hair looks so yellow.
Yellow?
Gold.
It's 12 o'clock. Saturday. It's a beautiful fall day. And we are on our way to see our potential venue. Because if this works out, we're gonna be saving mad money. The goal is to save money.
Like Walmart.
Stop. We're gonna have a Walmart wedding.
If money lives better.
So the goal is to save as much money as possible. We're DIYing this wedding, Dollar Tree wedding, Walmart wedding. I don't care what wedding it is, eBay wedding, because ain't nobody got time or money to spend on for one day. It's only one day. You can have the wedding of your dreams on a budget. It's possible. It's possible, guys. We'll see you in Massachusetts. This yard is huge. This is like perfect. It's perfect. Oh my god. I don't even know like how I would set it up. And their house is so cute. It's like a little house. There's a walkway right here. We can put like, oh my god, there's room for parking, everything. Like, I am in. This is amazing. What?
So their part is to the end of those rocks. To the end of those pine trees.
Oh, okay. So basically up to that tree. That's a lot of room. We can put like a walkway right there to the back, and then.
That's like from the end of the trees.
Yeah. That's banging. There's like space to do like a fire pit too. I can see it. 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 This is mad big. Like, so there's space. Yeah, there's space.
Do a line like that.
Yeah, there's spaces from the rocks basically up to those trees. This is basically where it ends, but this is still like mass space. I'm excited, man. We just needed to figure out where we would do the ceremony, where we would put like the tables and everything, and the bathroom situation. Rent like a bathroom.
Porta johns.
Not the nasty ones. This is banging.
Quieren de eso, no lo ponemos en el vine, en el arch.
Bear, that's from the other yard though. It's just growing onto their fence.
Okay.
And you can't take.
It's on this side.
It doesn't matter. Bear, we can just go literally in the woods like of this neighborhood and find stuff. I do like it. That's like, it's perfect. It's like the perfect size. Parking is not gonna be a problem at all. It's like the perfect area. But yeah, we're happy. Stop. I don't know if noise is gonna be a problem or anything.
Noise?
Yeah, like, you know, having a DJ and stuff.
I mean, it's only gonna be for one day.
I know, but like still.
And isn't it gonna be on a weekend?
Yeah, that doesn't matter. There's people who go to sleep in the weekend. Tell them to let their neighbors know that, you know, we're gonna have a function. So don't mind the sound and don't mind the parking, because I don't want a problem either.
About to get food.
They're actually the owners of the restaurant that his dad works at, so we're about to go eat there now.
Oh my god, I'll probably try that. Un bistec cebollado.
I thought we were just getting a snack.
A snack? You want a snack?
No. We're gonna keep this moving because we got a couple months left. So peace out, Girl Scout.
Porque si es porque yo supo tengo una jefa. Le digo, mira, no puedo yo hacer nada.
Look what you made me do. I'm gonna go look at some venues today. It's snowing and we're late, like always. Yeah, we're gonna go look at some venues and see what's up. It's so pretty.
Pero tú no ves, mira, tú no ves que es pegado.
Yeah. Y eso que no hay pista aquí. No. Imagínate con una pista.
Imagínate. Eso es para no Ellos hacen ceremonia aquí afuera, pero lo que yo quería decir es que es Lo único que si no renta, si no lloviera, tú podías poner mesas aquí afuera para la gente, ¿entiendes? Pero eso es el problema, es que si llueve, ¿cuál es el plan?
No, eso es un lío, y en septiembre. Es que llueve a cada rato. Los ciclones encendidos.
Entramos de esa puerta y aquí ella ponen esos arbolitos aquí. Entonces aquí se hace la ceremonia. La silla así de dos lados. It's like for like less than not even like 100, like 50 people, and then like.
No, you can put 100 people.
Yeah.
We do 170,
Yeah.
But it's crowded.
but it's
Yeah,
crowded.
because there's not even a dance floor here, and it looks crowded.
Right. But we also don't have all of this.
Yeah.
Like we don't need this long table. But you need 2 bars.
Yeah, 2
You
bars,
need
DJ.
If you're doing a photo booth.
Yeah.
So, the cake.
Mhm.
If you really love this room, the only other thing you could do is lower your guests, and I have that Friday
That's not an
available.
No, it would, yeah,
That's
because
not
we
an
have a big
option.
family.
It's a big family. You gotta invite everyone.
Yeah, everyone.
But they
like,
get mad.
we could do. I like the ceremony. The idea of doing the ceremony.
Ceremony
Yeah.
here.
They really did a nice job. Like it doesn't even look like the atrium when it
Well, I
was
see
before.
pictures now of the old atrium, and I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah,
awful.
yeah. I don't know how people
Awful.
decided to pick their like.
This is one
things
of the
here.
worst rooms.
That's what
Yeah.
I said. I don't know how people actually wanted to have a venue.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that.
And when they have the wedding, everything is gonna be renovated, like the lobby and stuff. So.
Yeah.
This is a loft/commercial type space that's down near the Providence Pier. I really love the high ceilings and the neutral style of it. It's definitely a space you can make your own, but one thing that I don't like is that fireplace that's smack in the middle. That really divides up the space and makes it look smaller than it really is. I wish I would have filmed the entrance, but the way you get up to that space is just not appealing at all. It's on a 4th floor, so either you're climbing 4 flights of stairs or waiting for the only elevator that it has. Alright guys, so another option that we're actually considering is doing it here in my backyard. Don't look the greatest right now, but I have a vision we can work with. Mom actually suggested the idea and I've actually thought about it a lot.
He's so cute.
So we've considered it a lot because, you know, it's just right here in the comfort of our own home. We don't have to have a guest limit. Well, we kind of do because it's not that big. But, yeah, we just have to get rid of all this crap. And what we would probably end up doing is using this space as well as the driveway. Just opening these gates up and just, you know, like having everyone come through that way and like, you know, have like stuff lined up. Probably pipe and drape the garage and stuff and have the buffet set up in there. And yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of options. We have a lot of options. We've been researching a lot and it's honestly really hard to work on a budget. You know, the wedding industry is booming right now, so you know everybody's used to $30,000 weddings, $20,000 weddings, and I don't got that money, so you know this is option 4 for now. Let me know what you guys think about it. Which option do you think we should go with, or which option did you guys like? So far, I honestly think that having it at home is gonna be the cheapest. I'm gonna tell you right now that the most expensive option is at the Crowne Plaza. You know, we're trying to weigh out, you know, the pros and cons of having it at home versus having it at a place, because at a place, you know, everybody's staffed, all that stuff. But let me know what you guys think. What are your options? What do you think we should go with? Because I'm stuck. Subscribe to keep updated, right, Toby? Subscribe to keep updated with me. I'll be posting next week, so keep on the lookout. Just let me know what y'all think. All right?
Toby, say bye. Toby, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Come here. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Okay. All right, bye, guys.